Hello, Snow Vlog. We're opening the vlog the best way possible. Road trip show.
Welcome to the laboratory. This is, oh, it's a video.
Bluetooth, come over here.
Hello, Snow Vlog. This is pre-Nightingale Blizzard festivities.
It was good. I liked it.
Yeah?
It made me not like.
Oh. That's how we recruit members.
We practiced and we worked on a new song and I licked. Never mind.
Hello, vlog. We're at the airport going to San Francisco. Oh, hey, Snow Vlog. And we're officially in San Francisco, the city where dreams come true. Home sweet home. We're in Chinatown. Snow Extension, San Francisco, Chinatown. I'm in love with the view. So Joseph and I decided to buy vinyls that make us think of San Francisco. I got Neutral Milk Hotel. And what did you get? More snow related.
Hi, I'm a snowman, and Snow is the best band ever. And I know my stuff. It's not like I was born today. Wait a second. I was!
What the fuck?
Cable car, come here.
People who listen to Benson Boone. People who listen to Snow. Snow Vlog, this is the last day in San Francisco. We'll see how he goes at the pier.
Crazy cat lady.
Go away, I'm reading.
I like cats more than people. I love to fart.
Hey.
We're on our way to
San Francisco State University.
San Francisco State University. All right, guys, time to go to the airport.
Back to LA and San Francisco vlog.
We're going to CVS to get energy drinks because we're really tired. I'm kind of feeling like passion fruit. Time to go.
Let's go.
Have you ever just ate a whole box?
Yeah, you ate all the ones at my house.
What? What's up, YouTube? I got Ultra Wild Passion Monster Energy, 0 sugar.
Monster Energy, the white one.
So for my food, I got Ritz crackers, the original.
My dinner, White Castle microwavable hamburgers.
And then for dessert,
The sweet tooth.
I got fudge stripes.
Vanilla wafers.
Come to the snow show, you might get free Kit Kat.
I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to do this. We will see.
Ow. Bad?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got it.
I'm scared I'm not going to be able to handle your weight. That's all for me.
I got 2, drunk again. Where's the money? What'd you say?
Hey vlog. Open, close.
What's up, snowflowians?
If you come to a snow show, you might get to see a sunrise. Life is really pretty and you should enjoy life and make the most of everything and go to all the snow shows you possibly can.
Life is kind of like a sunrise. Comes up above the mountain. In your heart, you can be whatever you want. Don't look at the grass on the other side.
Every snowflowian should learn that top priorities in this world are loving each other, taking good care of each other,
Go to the snow shows, right?
respectful, and living life by just trying to spread as much joy and forgiveness and care as possible. And that is the snowflowian rule. And if you don't abide it, you're not in the cult.
It's just no shit. Oh my god.
But I can't help it! Today's a snow show day. Woo!
What's up?
Yeah, nice seeing you.
Snail! Ow!
Is on your right.
What's up, vlog? Here we are at the fabled Nightingale Studios.
I'm in the vlog.
Hi vlog! I have Kit Kat stand out to people because they came to the snow show. Were you at the snow show?
I was at the snow show.
Get a Kit Kat. Were you at the snow show?
Yeah,
Do you want a Kit Kat?
sure.
I think we're lost.
Ready? Esme can't do it right. Let me show it to you.
Yeah!
Another successful snow show.
Indy has to go. We're going to In-N-Out.
Hell.
Joe's a bitch. This is our Tarantino moment.
Guys, if you still haven't downloaded Bird Game 3, what are you even doing? Turn this vlog off and go download Bird Game 3, bro.
Snow is the best band.
Go watch Snow.
How much are you gonna bet that they're gonna get kicked out of the In-N-Out? I might leave before that happens.
No. After every blizzard, there's a calm. And after every calm, there's an in and out.
Oh my god. Oh!